Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here with a new beat today, you guys. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. We got the natural hair, we got the natural beat, so let me know. All right, Charlie Mar Beauty. Whew. Let me turn that down. Okay, so today, welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Yes, my hair is looking crazy. I tried my new little curling one. I thought I had ordered a curling iron. You know, had a little clip thing on the front of the picture. If it's one thing I learned this month, don't shop based on pictures. And I know better. I'm 35. I know better. But I got another curling one, and I don't know about you guys, but my curls be kind of wonky when I use the curling wand. So we're gonna see how this look comes out at the end of the day. I'm shooting for an everyday look. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So, okay, last time I checked in with you guys, I was talking about Sunday dinner. That was nice with my sister and her family. And then we had to get together with all the cousins. Maybe, well, not all the cousins, but a good amount of us got together. It was like 20, 30 people between the adults and the kids. And we had a nice little dinner at my mom's on the 14th of October. So shout out to all the family. If you watch my videos, hey, I'm looking forward to another family dinner. Okay, so it's supposed to be like a quick beat. There's nothing fancy. Let's hope that we can keep it that way, okay? Now, I'm gonna start out with my brows. Okay, so I got my little Temu/Amazon. You can get them at either store. Shoot, you could probably get them at Sephora now. Target. They're probably all over. But we're gonna set our brows with our Airspun. Have you ever got to the point where you just want to start over? I'm 35. I feel like some days I'm going through a midlife crisis. Because I wake up and I just don't care. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to put me a little playlist together that's like 20, 30 minutes for my music. You can see in the background through my mirrors. This is no copyright. JP, no copyright. No, KH, no copyright music. I need to put me a track together for like 20 minutes because I swear I try not to get copyright on my videos, you know, when I upload them to YouTube. But if I'm talking and I'm playing good music in the background, some pieces you can't do voiceover, you know. So my last video got a copyright, but you know, I'm really just trying to keep up with my YouTube page at this time. I just been discouraged and lightweight. I don't like saying I'm depressed because I'm constantly in go mode. Even like this week I struggled, but I pushed through. I don't like saying I'm depressed. I feel like everyone in my generation nowadays is depressed. And like, should we be depressed off of everyday routine, everyday work, 9 to 5? Like, I don't know. I've been away though because I've been practicing or educating myself on digital marketing because I'm trying to figure out passive income. And I'm trying to build passive income. Not only so I can quit my 9 to 5, but I don't want to have any financial struggles from credit to just cash flow. I'm tired of struggling financially. And right now, like, my paycheck covers like all my bills. As long as I pay all my bills. That's the thing. Yeah, your $300 bill, you be like, oh, I can pay at the end of the month. You know, I want to go out to eat, or I want to get these new shoes. Or my kids need something. But I want to be financially free to where I could have cash flow. And that's where I was doing a lot of the blame on my husband. Because you know, it's easier if you got 2 incomes coming in the house. But when it's just one, there's really no wiggle room if you don't have no passive income coming in. And we're in 2023 and we currently don't have passive income. If you don't have passive income, you're in trouble. Get on it now. Because with the way that the world's changing, you want to have multiple streams of income coming in, because I believe we're going to have another shutdown. And with that being said, if your jobs weren't secure and you work in the same jobs, make sure you have a second income coming in so you don't have to go through the trials and tribulations of what people are still going through, you know, outside of the pandemic. I learned that a lot of people are homeless because they don't want to pay rent. And rent is high. I don't blame them. But I'm not there. I'd rather be broke and pay my rent over my head than have money in my pockets, sleeping outside or sleeping on somebody's couch. And I think that I can say that because every time I move, I'm always moving in with somebody before I get a new place. And we cutting that out. I do got an opportunity to take my sister's place while she moved down in Nevada. That's a win-win. That's like no questions on that. Her rent is like a quarter of what I pay. So I might take her up on that offer, but in order to be able to do that, I have to get out of this situation. And my rent right now is $2,200. So that means I gotta pay $4,400. Make sure my water bill is like $900. It's fully paid up before I even think about putting in a 30-day notice and getting out of my contract. Because this lease is not technically up till April. And right now I'm just trying to think, do I need to be trying to save money or just add more money? Because if I just add more money, I ain't gotta go nowhere. You know. Yeah. Okay, I know I'm all over the place with conversation, y'all, but okay, so that's that. Excuse the hair. I don't think she's gonna work out, but we're gonna trust the process. I burnt my pinky. That's another thing. I don't ever burn myself with a curling iron. Okay, let's clean up these brows real quick. I'm gonna go in with, this is Warm Honey. Warm Honey. Cause she bright. She bright. She real bright under the eye. Oh, I got these eyelashes for $2 off of Temu. Oh, this one's going a little bit further. Okay. I'm like, y'all not looking something. Okay. I don't want that halo look. So, I'm gonna go in with, that was LA Girl Pro Concealer under my eye in the shade Warm Honey. Now I'm going in with Caramel for my top. Infallible Wear, my L'Oreal. Do y'all know who it is when we say Infallible Wear? Y'all know it's L'Oreal? For a long time, I thought Infallible Wear came from CoverGirl. Some girls stamp. I can't stamp. I'm not doing it. Okay, so I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to create the base for my eyeshadow look. Okay, I know I stopped talking, y'all, but I'm trying to get the look down. Okay, if you want to keep it simply drugstore, we can go on Juvias place. And I'm gonna start out with this bottom one. That's it. Okay, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer to prime my face before we lay down our foundation. Now I get my kudos, okay? Because I actually stuck with simple eyeshadow, okay? I'm gonna go in with my Mocą first. Okay, I'm going in with my FitMe foundation in the shade 360, which is Mocha, to complete my foundation. It's a little bit darker than what it should be, but it all comes together once I conceal and highlight my face. Okay, so I'm going in with the Ruby Kiss Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight my T-zone. Okay, I'm going in with a e.l.f. brush to blend out my concealer. This brush was absolutely lovely. It had like a light fluff to it, and it blended perfectly. It blended the concealer out just perfectly. It looks so flawless right now. I will be going back to get my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm also going to try Tarte Shape concealer next month. Because Kiss, it leaves like a patchiness under my eye. Now that could be because I have dry skin. You know, I need to do better taking care of my skin. But then it could be that it's just a drugstore brand. So let me know if you tried Ruby Kiss concealer and how you like it. Let me know if you have any recommendations for concealers and dry skin. All right. Look at me feeling myself. I'm like, she perfectly blended. You gotta excuse me, I'm a Leo, so we extremely confident. But she cute. I didn't even lay down the setting powders or setting spray yet, so you could tell the technique is definitely given. I know y'all see my gray hair. I'm trying to love my natural, but this hair, y'all, it's got a mind of its own. Watch when I take these curls out. Okay, now I'm going back in with that Warm Honey LA Girl Concealer. It was a little patchy over the Ruby Kiss as well. So, yeah, drugstore is not good for me on the under eye, but we made it work, okay? We're going on with this to give a little bit of extra highlight, okay? Okay, now this is where I would have loved to gone in with my damp beauty blender to smooth out this concealer. That might have helped with a little bit of the patchiness that was going on. But I didn't want to keep my ladies waiting. You're supposed to have everything together. And I had my brushes in front of me and my little face powder puff pads, okay? Okay, now I'm going in with the Airspun setting powder in the shade Translucent to go over all my highlighted areas. And then we're going to go in and contour our face. Or should I say bronze? Okay, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury to bronze my face. Contour my nose and then my cheekbones, chin, and forehead. Alright, y'all. Okay, right now I'm brushing away all that setting powder and I'm going in with the Matte Studio Fix Foundation Powder in the shade NW45 to blend out any harsh lines before we go on with our setting spray, blush, and highlight. Or should I say highlight, blush, and setting spray in that order. Okay, right now I'm going in with blush. I'm going in with the Eyeshadow Palette Culture 2. I'm going in with that canary yellow, and I'm also going in with, it's called Queen Vibes, the yellow, orange looking color. That's what I'm using for blush. And then Band 2 is like a burgundy glitter. I'm going in with that for my highlight. And then we're going to go in with the setting spray by Morphe, the setting mist. Morphe setting mist. All right, ladies, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me stop playing. All right, so I guess she's okay. You know, I'm so used to wearing my wigs that the hair just does what I need it to do. And then my hair, on the other hand, has a mind of its own. So, let me know what you ladies think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Can I pull it? I did a little hairspray. I probably shouldn't have flattened my hair before. Like yesterday I flattened my hair and today I did the crump. Yeah. Don't worry, I didn't put too much heat on it, but that was a lot of heat in the past 48 hours, so. Okay. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Charlie Mar Beauty, like, comment, and subscribe. All right.